Okay, so for this one, we're going to do exactly the same. We're first going to find the values of a, b, and c. So remember, a is a coefficient of x squared with the sign. So in this case, a is equal to 2 positive. Then b is a coefficient of x. In this case, is negative 2, and the negative sign is very important. And then c is equal to negative 12. So we're going to substitute those values in our quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula says first negative b. So we have a negative sign, and then b is also negative. So I'm going to write it inside parentheses so you realize that we have two negative signs there. Then plus and minus, and we open the square root. And then again, b squared. It's important that you have b as negative 2 inside the brackets. We are squaring the negative sign and the 2, both of them. Then minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is negative 12. And all of that divided by 2 times a, so that's 2 times 2. So we're going to solve first this negative times negative 2, negative and negative is positive, so that's a 2 positive. Then plus and minus, and then inside the square root we have negative 2 squared, so a negative number squared, that's positive 4. Then negative 4 times 2 times negative 12, that's negative 24. And then all of that divided by 4. 2 times 2, 4. And then again, we keep on working on this. Plus and minus, inside the square root, you have 4. Then we're multiplying negative 4 and negative 24. So 4 times 4, negative times negative, sorry, is positive. This is positive 96 here, and then divided by 4. So x equals 2 plus minus 4 plus 96, that's 100 here, divided by 4. So the square root of 100 is 10 divided by 4. So again, this plus and minus, and you could have done that in the step before or in this one, it's the same thing. You divide this into your two possible answers. The first one is going to be 2 plus 10 divided by 4, and the second one is going to be x equals 2 minus 10 divided by 4. So 2 plus 10 is 12 divided by 4. This is equal to 3. And then 2 minus 10, that's negative 8 divided by 4. This is equal to negative 2. And those are the two solutions for our quadratic equation. And you can graph this one in Desmos. If you write the whole equation, this one 2x squared minus 2x minus 12 equals 0 in Desmos, you will find a parabola that crosses the x-axis in 3